Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open MSM Video app, updated. Tap the MSM Video icon on your device and wait for the splash screen to finish loading, then grant camera and storage permissions if asked. If you are not signed in, tap Sign in and enter your email and password, or choose Create Account and follow the short setup steps to complete access and start browsing content immediately. If the MSM Video app does not open, try a quick restart of your device and then open the app again. Clear the app cache and settings to remove any corrupted temporary files that could block startup, and check that your operating system is updated to the latest version available. If problems persist, reinstall the app safely to refresh its files, then sign back in and verify playback functionality. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical guides. Quick recommendation: I love Little Tree's black ice for a clean-smelling car after long drives. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other deals related to this video, then now let's get back to the video. For the best experience, connect to Wi-Fi before streaming videos and download shows for offline viewing when you have a strong connection. Open settings to choose playback quality that balances clarity and data use, and use the Downloads area to manage or delete saved files. If you share the app, check account settings for device limits and sign out on devices you no longer use to keep your library organized and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.